go.
Mustang turns on the wind lights. What a rowdy pass. And that's why I love small tire door cars. Yes.
Hey, where's Tyler?
Nitrous versus Turbo, the little Camaro. Got a big old turbo hanging out under the hood, or lack thereof.
Left lane. Right lane.
They ain't playing. About 100, he says. Hertz in the Nitrous, in the Malibu. Give us some of that stuff through the motor. Yeah. Give it a little bit. Slams the door on the G-body and says, let's do it. Camaro up there patiently waiting with the top bulb lit. Here we go. Nitrous car goes in first. Sideways in the lights. Everybody stay where you're at. Stay where you're at. Track personnel only. Stay where you're at. Clear the lanes, folks. Clear the lanes. Clear the lanes. Clear the track.
Look out.
We'll wait for word on the top end. Car come to rest on the track.
So what just happened?
He broke loose down track.
Clear the lanes, guys. Clear the lanes.
Hit the
Heads
wall.
up.
How bad?
Good.
Is it bad?
Yeah, right then.
Yeah, he
Not that bad.
Yeah. Not like they making it. Yeah. Now he didn't even pull the shoe.
All right, so good news, the driver is out. Put your hands together for him down there on the big end. Let him hear you. He is okay.
He didn't pull the shoe.
Don't want
Oh,
no beat.
motherfucker ran.
No, he ran.
You slept on him.
So did. That motherfucker got out of that big dirty
and I missed it.
motherfucker. Big dirty motherfucker got out of that thing.
So just got another call confirming from Mike. The driver is out. He is okay. There's a little bit of debris on the track down there.
Did he
The Little
drive?
River Dragway going to make quick work of this. I know they will. They've already got the Ricker down there. Perfect time to move around, grab you some ice cold drink, something warm to eat. Please give those guys plenty of room down there on both sides of the wall to work.
I can tell the sound of that motor. I knew that.
And yeah, I think I'm going to go move around for a second while they get this cleaned up.
He went before me or after me. I ain't had a chance to look at him, but I
Now
can
the
tell.
first me didn't get down there. He
He
was
did.
flooding in school.
Oh, okay.
Shaq Stone motherfucker running with him, man. But I think the car had to brake because he cut in front of him.